Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am filming this video at like 8:30 the night before you guys are gonna see it because I just got word that I can finally share the exciting announcement that I have to share with you guys. I've been hanging on to this information since early fall, like September timeframe, and just couldn't wait to share it with you guys. So get ready, drum roll. So the big announcement is that I am going to the Good and the Beautiful Homeschool Convention in Utah this summer in June. Not only am I going, but I was invited by them to be a speaker at the convention. I am going to be sharing with you guys 3 different talks, I don't know, speeches, somewhere in between, on some really important homeschooling topics that I am passionate about and that they asked me to speak upon. I am one of many amazing speakers coming to this convention, but you guys, can we just have a minute and think about the fact that I got invited to speak on a stage at a homeschooling convention? Like, when I got that email asking me if I could and wanted to attend, I literally was shaking. Like, that is just something that I never expected to happen. When I started my channel, I knew I wanted to be a voice for the homeschooling community, but I just didn't know that it was going to turn into more than just sitting in my bedroom making videos for you guys. So I am just humbled, honored, so incredibly thankful to get to do the sharing of hearts and of wisdom that I get to do with you guys, and hopefully some of you at the convention. If you guys are gonna come to the convention, I would love to meet you. Please come up and say hi to me. Say, you know, I want to see you guys. There are so many of you out there who watch me on a weekly basis, and I just cannot thank you enough. Truly, I am so thankful for you guys, because without you, I wouldn't have the opportunities that are coming my way. And every single time I get a new exciting opportunity, I am just blown away and so thankful. So I am so excited to see you guys in June at the Good and the Beautiful Convention. Tickets have gone on sale, and I am told they sell out pretty quick. So make sure you grab yours, bring your spouse, take a girls' weekend, just come and come say hi. And I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to pop into some of the other sessions that are going on. They really put so much time and effort into making this convention a recharge for us homeschooling parents, and they have so many wonderful things in store. So be sure to check out their website, The Good and the Beautiful, to get all the information. I will link down below, but you guys should be able to grab your tickets. And if you went last year, let me know, how was it? I saw 2 of my girlfriends go last year, and I was seriously watching their stories like, I wish I was there. In fact, I told my husband last year I was gonna go, and I just was gonna take a trip myself, and then, you know, didn't know that I would be invited to be speaking. So I am so excited to be there. I am so excited to have the platform that I have and be a voice in the homeschooling community. It truly is my ministry, and I am just so blessed to be able to do it. So thank you guys for the support. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for me or are coming to the convention. If you're coming, let me know down below. I am debating on, like, after hours, should we meet up somewhere? Should I just want to see you guys and give you a hug in person and tell you thank you. And so I'm just so excited to be there in June in Utah with hopefully some of you guys. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you for all your support. Without you guys, this opportunity could have never happened, and I will see you in June at the Good and the Beautiful Convention. Bye, guys.